So how do you electronically sign a PDF on your iPad? Let's get started. So what we need to do at first is to locate the PDF file which we want to sign. Obviously, we need to go to the Files app and then just locate the file like this. You can just click on it. It will open it up within the preview application. And there you have more options. If you have the Apple Pencil ready and nearby, you can already just zoom in on the place where you need to sign in. Just draw your little signature there and you are going to be fine. However, this isn't suitable for a lot of people. So instead, just tap on the icon, the little pencil in a circle at the top right there. And this right here is going to give you plenty of options to change the drawing tools, right? So you can change the color, you can change the thickness as well as pen style. Plus, you now not only need the Apple Pencil, you can also perform the signature with a finger. So this is the main option. Outside of that, and I believe this is going to be even better for you, is to use the fill out form feature. At the top of the page, next to the pencil icon, we have this fill out button. You're going to tap on it like this. It will let you tap the plus button in the bottom right corner. And you can see that we have the ability to add a signature. And you are likely not going to have any signature ready, but you can add a signature for future reference. So you can just set one up like that. You're going to write something in it. As you can see, you're going to perform your signature as usual, and then you just save it into your iPad. And then anytime you need to sign some documents, you're going to do exactly that. You will see the fill out form. You'll tap on the plus, add a signature, and you just import the one which is ready, right? You can bring it right here. It is movable, resizable, and you can place it exactly where you need it to be. So I believe this is even simpler than using Apple Pencil or your finger. So that's really a great idea. So let me know below in the comments if you managed to do what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you later in the future tutorials.